Good morning, children. So, today we are going to cover the part 3 of the chapter Molecular Basis of Inheritance. So, today we are going to cover the topics the search of the genetic material and the transforming principle. So, first let us see the search of genetic material. So, here one scientist called Griffith, that is Frederick Griffith, he was doing some experiment. So, in a bacteria called Streptococcus pneumoniae. So, it was causing pneumonia in mice. Okay. So, here when there are two types of colonies was observed by Griffith. So, one is the smooth shiny colonies, that is called as S strain, and the rough colonies it is known as R strain. So, S strain bacteria, it was having the mucus polysaccharide coat, and the R strain does not having the coat. So, when you see the S strain, no, it was virulent and it was causing pneumonia in mice. So, when it was infected, so and they died. But R strain, it is non-virulent and it was not causing so any disease in the mice when it was injected inside the mice. So, when the heat killed S strain, when it is heat killed, actually it is non-virulent and it does not cause any pneumonia. But when the heat killed S strain, when it is mixed with the live R and injected into the mice developed pneumonia and died. So then he recovered from that mice, dead mice, he was able to recover the S strain bacteria. This is the experiment done by Griffith. So rough strain, it is non-virulent. So you can see when it is injected inside, the mice the mouse, it leaves. And the second step, that is smooth strain, that is the virulent, it was causing the disease. When it is injected inside the mouse, it dies. And the heat killed a smooth strain, when it is injected inside the mice also they live, because the smooth strain, it is killed due to heat. And the other step, the rough strain, along with the rough strain, the heat killed smooth strain, it was mixed and injected inside, and the mice here dies. So the same one, the other form of explanation of the experiment. So here it is the live smooth strain, and when it is injected inside the live mouse, the mouse it dies, and in the mouse they were able to recover the live smooth bacteria. And the second step, when the rough, when it is injected inside the live mouse, so the mouse lives and there is no problem. They were not suffering from pneumonia, and they were able to recover live rough strain from the mice. And the third step, the dead smooth, when it is mixed along with the live rough cell and injected inside the mouse, and here the mouse it dies due to pneumonia. They suffer from pneumonia, and from the mouse they were able to recover the live smooth. So here what it can be concluded, because the dead smooth cell, so when it is mixed along with the live rough cell, it was able to convert the rough cell into smooth, and that's why they were able to recover the live smooth cell from the mouse. So this principle is known as transformation, the changing, transformed. So that's why you call that as transformation. So here, but anyhow, Griffith, he was not able to give the biochemical explanation for that. But here, the biochemical nature of transforming principle, it was proved by three scientists, Avery, McLeod and Carty. So these three scientists, they proved the transforming principle, and behind that they were able to prove the genetic material, so it was able to produce the transformation. So it is DNA. So how they proved? So they just know what they have done. So the heat killed S strain, it was mixed along with protease. Okay, so then the live R strain, so plus it is mixed along with this heat killed smooth strain and protease, and it is mixed along with the live R strain. So it is injected inside the bacteria, so they were able to do transformation. And the next step, the heat killed S strain RNase, that is the enzyme RNase mixed along with R strain, so then also transformation was there. But when the heat killed S strain, when it is mixed along with DNase, because DNA is able to digest DNA. It can modify the DNA. So here when it is mixed along with the live art strain, so there was no transformation. So from here, so what they were able to conclude, so here it is not a protein, it is not RNA, it is only DNA it was causing the transformation. So that's why, so that substance it was able to digest by the enzyme DNase. Okay, because protease it was not able to digest, RNase could not digest, and the DNase it digests, that's why it was denatured. So because it was not able to do transformation like that, the biochemical nature of transforming principle was proved by these three scientists. Sometimes, no, what do they ask in exam? They ask the Griffith experiment for 3 marks, and along with that, the other part of the question B part, they can ask how it was proved that the chemical nature is proved. So here it will be asked in 2 marks like that. No, it can be asked in 5-mark question. On the basis of this, what is the conclusion of the experiment? Already we studied. So here the protein of the heat kill estrine, it is not the genetic material, and RNA is also not genetic material, but only the DNA is the genetic material, because the DNA was digested by DNA. So that's why, so the DNA only it was able to transform, as it is killed, and it is not able to transform in or strain into smooth strain. So that's why the genetic material is DNA. Like that they came to the conclusion, the transforming principle. So it was concluded, and here the biochemical, anyhow the nature, the substance which is making the transformation is DNA, not RNA or protein. So that's why that the smooth strain, no, so they were, no, they actually the heat killed smooth strain bacteria, so enabled the R strain to synthesize the smooth polysaccharide, and they became virulent, that is no infective type, that is the smooth strain. So like that they came to the conclusion. So this is the conclusion of the experiment. So how it can be asked in exam? They can ask the transforming principle, explain the transforming principle, like that it can be asked. So or they can ask, so explain the Griffith experiment, so what was the conclusion of the experiment? So like that they can ask in different ways. Okay, so this question normally they ask in 5-mark question, or sometimes can be asked in 3 marks. Okay children, so it is important, the point of board. So you study properly. If you can't understand, you ask me. Okay, we'll meet in the next class. Thank you.